How to fix icons overlapping on Windows. 1. Display snap in multitasking. 2. Change the icon size. 3. Enter a value between -480 to -2730 into icon spacing at computer /H key _ current _ user /control panel /desktop /window metrics in registry editor. Now, choose the value between -480 to -2730 for icon vertical spacing at computer /H key _ current _ user /control panel /desktop /window metrics in registry editor. Save the changes you made and reboot your PC. 4. Restart the Windows Explorer. 5. Run search and indexing troubleshooter. Now, run GitOps package. Microsoft.Windows.Shell Experience Host. For each GitOps package, disable development mode, register $__install location /fxmanifest.xml command in PowerShell as admin. 7. Restore your PC, if you can. 8. Try some desktop icon spacing tool on the web.